Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Be Aware channel. And in this today's video we are going to learn about our next default process flow, and that is on queues. So we have already created a video on understanding default process flows for the source object, and in this video we are going to learn about creating the default process flow for queue. So this is going to be a very interesting video, so stay tuned with us till end of this video. We bring exciting educational content related to simulation, industrial engineering, health awareness, finance, and there are a lot of exciting stuffs we are going to bring you, and some of those are already available at our website beawarechannel.com. So do not forget to visit our website beawarechannel.com and our YouTube channel Be Aware. So hit a like to the videos and share our videos with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really motivates us to bring such educational content just for you. So if we are now going to look at this video in simulation model, what thing is the different thing you are able to observe in the simulation model, right? Let me know in the comment section what is that which you see is different than it has to be actually. Okay, so the correct answer for this is going to be the processor. See, the processor 1 which you see here is servicing one part at a time. We have a queue in here which is Q2, and we have a processor 2 in here which is servicing the parts, but if you see, the parts are piled up onto the processor. So the similarity which you see between two objects, that is Q2 and processor 2. So what you see here is that Q2 functionality is getting resembled with processor 2 functionality, that is, both are storing parts just like buffer. So what we have done is we have converted our processor 2 to act as a processor, as well as it is going to act as a buffer, stacking up the parts perfectly like a queue. So in this today's video, you would be able to understand now what is the agenda for this video. So the agenda for this video is we are going to learn this process flow, that is default process flow for the queue, and now you would have been able to understand what can be the applications of the default process flow. So without making much of our time, let us begin understanding how can we convert a processor to act as like a queue with just a clicks. So we are going to learn that now. So before we could learn, let me reset this, okay? And what I'm going to do is, whichever my process flow I have already connected to this, I'm going to delete that process flow. Now let us reset and run and check whether my queue now acts like that. So if you see, my processor 2 is now acting just like my processor 1, and the functionality which you were able to see before, that my processor 2 was stacking up the parts just like my Q2 or just like my Q3, is not into activation right now. Why? Because we removed that process flow, that default process flow, right, which was making this processor to work like a queue. So now I'm just going to bring in the process flow in the picture. Let me drag in this queue process flow in here. So this is a ready-made process flow which is available. You just need to objects to be attached to this process flow. Once you attach the objects, your process flow will start working fantastically. To this premium training video, you would need to visit our website beawarechannel.com, and once you are going to visit our website beawarechannel.com. In a tab of simulation, you can visit our tab in simulation, and once you come in simulation tab, you would be able to see subscription for premium content access here. So you just need to select your required premium subscription plan. We have it monthly, we have it quarterly, and we have it yearly. So as per your requirement, you can purchase a subscription plan, and once you have purchased a subscription plan, you can come to the training classes page which we have available on our beawarechannel.com. And once we receive a payment from you, we would be sending you a approval email, and once you are going to receive a approval email, it is just a matter of click. You just need to visit a training classes page, and once you are going to visit this training classes page, you have to just come in below here, have you purchased a subscription, and you just need to hit a button here, paid and approved. Click to start training. If you want to purchase, you can purchase it from here. We also have a plans listed, similar plans which are on the simulation page. We also have it on the training classes page. You can also purchase the thing by visiting the subscription plans, and once you are done with approval, you just need to click here and you would be visiting our premium training page, and there you would just need to put your login credentials. If you have already logged in into your account by signing up or creating an account, there is no need for you to sign up again. But if you are signed out or you do not have an account, you can just click in here, or you can also create an account here. Once you click in here, you will be visiting a login page and you are done with this stuff.